All right, we got a 2002 GMC pickup truck. This is a 2500 series. The problem I'm going to point out to you guys is also affected the 1500s, the 2500s. Anytime I get an electrical problem in the shop, this is where I go to first because I've seen this so many times through the years. Um, the Chevrolet GMC from 95 to about 2006 is where I've seen this problem the most. It affects the fuse block, and it can drive you crazy because you know you've got an electrical problem. Things are not working the way they're supposed to, and you're searching everything and you're jumping fuses over and all that. But let me show you what I've found out through the years. I have it's always something different. So there's nothing wrong with this one. It's not giving me any problems or giving the customer any problems yet, but we're going to stop it before it does. So he has another electrical problem that has to do with the ignition switch, and it's affecting the transmission. But while I was searching for that issue, I found this one. So here's what we're going to do. You got a couple of snaps down here. You pull the covers off, just lay them over to the side, and then you're going to take this fuse block and you're going to tilt it up. You've got a lock and tab here. Raise that up. You got a lock and tab here and one on this side. This side's broke off, so you just raise that fuse block up, and when you get it up here in the air so you can see all the wiring, I'm going to show you what we've run into. And I've run into this a lot, so this isn't like the first one I've ever seen. But you see right there, a mouse had made a nice little home down in there. And while he was down in there, he got hungry and started chewing on some wires. He's chewed up this wire. He's chewed this wire up. There's one right there. He's chewed this black wire up. And one thing I want to show you, because you got to look at these wires really close, and I've dealt with this a lot, so I know I've seen them do this. But look right down here on this wire, and you'll see they like to get really close to the connector, and they'll chew that wire, and if that wire slides back in there, if you don't pull it up out of there, you'll never see that. So you kind of got to pull it up and just kind of give a little tug on each wire, or look at them real close and make sure that they haven't chewed those wires in too, going into these plug-ins. And this one here, like I say, he didn't do any damage. We're going to tape these wires back up for the customer and fix this so that he don't have that problem. You may not see this problem as much. There's a lot of farmers around this area, so we see it because these trucks don't move around a whole lot. They're on the farm a lot. But I've had customers to come to me that keep their trucks in garages. They're garage kept trucks, and there's still been mice underneath of these blocks and chewed wires up. So if the truck sits very long, whether it's in your garage or it's outside of your house or outside of your garage, you could have this problem. So if you're having an electrical problem, I hope that this video helps you. Maybe you'll look underneath it here and see some issues and get them taken care of if that's where your problem's at. But anyway, I hope this video helps you.